All right, starting off with JASMY coin. That's basically all she wrote for JASMY. I think it's pretty much over for December with JASMY. Technically, without moving the fibs, the next target would be 4 cents, but I do know that there's targets before that. So let me just move the fib down a little bit. I don't think you come straight down here to 3 cents. So you have a little bit of support right here at 6.5. If you don't hold that, you have a local low down here at 4 cents, and that's kind of where your next fib is. So if you don't hold 6.5, 4 cents is back on the table for JASMY. And honestly, at some point you just got to think, well, if it goes so low, it might be another coin that goes to zero, not literally, but it could be going back, because remember when it was listed on Coinbase, it literally started at just over 4 cents, and before it was even announced it was getting listed on Coinbase, it was around a penny or two, maybe even below a penny actually. So that's really where it could be going back down to. I know that seems crazy, but you have to assume the worst. And when we're below this far below the 618, you're just going lower and lower, and all the downside targets are getting hit. You have to at some point think maybe it's going back close to a penny or two. So not saying that's what's happening, but it doesn't look good, because if you don't hold 6.5, you're going down to 4 cents probably, if not lower. So because if you don't hold 4 cents, then the next fib is at 3.1. So I think all these targets are on the table until Bitcoin starts rallying to the moon. And Bitcoin also just fell below 47K, so that could be part of the reason you're at 7 cents right now. But I would say this looks really bad. I would not be buying this until you see a strong bounce. And I'm staying away from it. I actually just sold the other day at a loss, just because I'm not going to deal with it going down to 4 cents or whatever. I'll just buy back in if I think there's a bounce point at 4 cents. But we'll have to wait and see if that's the case. It looks really, really bad right now, and that's about all I can say. There's nothing bullish to say. I will say the MACD did look bullish on the daily chart, but that's been the case, and the price keeps going down. So I think right now the MACD is a little bit irrelevant, and I do think these downside targets of 6.5, then 4 cents, and then 3.1 are probably going to get hit unless Bitcoin can start rallying above 50K again. That's all I got. I would not be buying this coin right now, personally, until you see a strong bounce, and I think that's still a ways away. That's all I got, and I'll see you guys in the next one.